In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a Zap on Zapier with Google Sheets and Basecamp. To begin, head to Zapier and make sure you are on your main homepage. This is your starting point for managing automations, called Zaps, and also for managing the apps that connect to Zapier. Before you build anything, it is a good idea to confirm that your key apps are connected and authorized because missing connections can cause errors later. From the home area, find and click App Connections. This is the section where Zapier lists every service you have linked, such as project management tools and spreadsheets. Once you are on the Connections page, look over the list and locate Basecamp. Click into the Basecamp connection so you can confirm it is present and set up properly. If you have more than one Basecamp connection listed, open the one you intend to use, so you are working with the correct workspace. Next, go back to the Connections list and click Basecamp again if needed. Then locate Google Sheets and click Google Sheets. This is where you verify your spreadsheet account is connected. Having both Basecamp and Google Sheets connected is essential for creating a Zap that moves information between them. Now click Add Connection. This begins the process of linking an app account to Zapier. You may see a short loading moment while Zapier prepares the connection flow. Follow the prompts that appear on screen to complete the connection, and wait until the page finishes loading and the connection is added successfully. If you are connecting multiple accounts, pay close attention to which account you are authorizing so your Zap uses the right data. Once your connections are ready, move to the Zap section by clicking Zaps. This is the workspace where you create and manage automations. After you open Zaps, click into the editor area and type to search for what you need, using the search field to find the Zap or the apps you want to build with. This search is a quick way to start setting up your workflow with Google Sheets and Basecamp using the connections you just confirmed. That covers everything you need to know.